Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I know I've been a little bit missing on here, but just a lot of stuff been happening in my life. Bought a house, moved houses, moved shops, moved cities, moved states. So I'm just now set up a little basement workshop. I'm in the process of looking for a shop, so that's coming here very shortly. But I just got doing some small jobs at my house. I got here an intake manifold and a Ducati exhaust. This exhaust, I cut this piece out of it. Guy wanted it shorter. I cut that out. It was a pretty big process. I had to drill these rivets out, take the trim ring off, cut it, sand it, smooth it, file, a whole bunch of stuff. Take some of the packing out because it was interfering with the weld. Gave it a high heat paint job, and this one's ready to go to the customer. He's actually coming to pick it up later today. This one was a K24 intake manifold. This one I ported the throttle body inlet. It had some like humps on either side, so I did that. That came out pretty good. And I also ported the I don't know if you can see deep out in there, the runners. I cut this open right here, cut it open, ported it, semi-polished it, welded it back together, and gave it a high heat paint job as well. And this one's ready to go on the car. I also gasket matched the intake side, the inlet side I mean, or the outlet. I don't even know what side this is. I guess this will be the outlet side that goes into the head. Yeah, they came out pretty good. So I'm about to wrap these in some plastic wrap, get them ready for the customers to come pick them up. Just wanted to show you guys, I got a new machine here. I got an Everlast 210 EXT with a cooler. I still have my HTP, but that's back in Philadelphia. I just picked this up here. I picked this whole machine up with the welding tank for the price that you would buy a new cooler. It's got a 20F. It's got a Weldtech 20F torch. I'm not a big fan of this just because these wires that come off of it, they're like that hard plastic for the coolers, gas, and I'm just not a big fan of that. For first startly, they twist my hand when I'm welding and they fatigue it. That's the main thing. So I got a CK Worldwide. It's a FX 230 torch coming in here soon. I should be here tomorrow or the next day, as you could see. Weldtech 20, and this is a rigid. Not a big fan of the rigids. So yeah, I got a new torch coming up. I'll do an install and unboxing when that gets here. But yeah, I just wanted to keep you guys in the loop. I'm gonna get a whole bunch more of like little jobs like this coming to the channel, some welding, some tips and stuff, and some small jobs that I can teach you guys some stuff in. As you can see, this came out really good. I metal finished the weld. This was actually a pain in the ass because it's so damn thin. But yeah, you can see I took about 2.5 inches off. But yeah, all right. More to come in the future, so stay tuned. Thanks, guys.